10 Benefits of Rolling Over Your 457b to a Gold IRA. Planning for retirement doesn't have to be complicated. One strategy gaining attention is moving funds from a 457b plan into a Gold IRA. Understanding the benefits of rolling over your 457b to a Gold IRA can help you decide if this approach fits your long-term goals. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here is a simple breakdown of why many investors consider this move. 1. Better diversification. A Gold IRA adds variety to your portfolio. Instead of relying only on stocks or bonds, you include physical gold, helping reduce overall risk. 2. Protection against inflation. Gold has historically held its value over time. When prices rise, gold often keeps up, helping protect your purchasing power. 3. Continued tax advantages. Rolling over your 457b into a Gold IRA keeps your tax-deferred status intact. You won't pay taxes immediately, allowing your investment to grow over time. 4. Stability during uncertain times. Gold is often seen as a safe asset during economic downturns or global instability, offering peace of mind when markets are volatile. 5. Portfolio balance. Adding gold can balance your investments. When traditional assets drop, gold may perform differently, helping smooth out losses. 6. Long-term wealth preservation. Gold has been valued for centuries. Including it in your retirement plan helps preserve wealth for future generations. 7. Less dependence on the stock market. Gold doesn't always move with the stock market. This independence can reduce stress during market fluctuations. 8. Liquidity when needed. Gold is widely recognized and can be sold relatively easily, giving you access to funds when necessary. 9. Protection from systemic risks. Financial systems can face unexpected challenges. Gold acts as a backup, helping safeguard your retirement savings. 10. Global value recognition. Gold is valuable worldwide. Its universal demand makes it a strong asset regardless of economic conditions in any one country. The benefits of rolling over your 457b to a Gold IRA include diversification, stability, and long-term protection. While it may not be the right move for everyone, it can be a smart option for those looking to strengthen and secure their retirement strategy. Always review your financial situation or consult a professional before making changes. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.